you guys, it's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I'm actually back. I've been in a funk, and I said that in the last one. I'm in a funk again, but I'm gonna get these videos out because I'm slacking. I got all these clothes in the back waiting to be shown. I got this makeup waiting to be given away. I got makeup to do, and it's like, girl, get it together. It's time to get yourself on the road because you can't be sitting in the funk. I don't know what happened to me this year. There's supposed to be a new year, new me. But yeah, if y'all new to this channel, hi, my name is Minnie. Welcome. Please subscribe. Hit that lovely red button so you can be down with the get down. So you can be down with the Minnie squad, the Minnie Empire, because great things should be coming 2021. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look using the Boxycharm of February, then let's get into this video. And so first thing I see is this Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. I love the packaging. Very looking like getting ready for spring type of vibes. You feel me? Let me see. Oh, and that's the first thing on the list. It says the Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic. And this is $38. Okay. Yeah, the packaging is very cutesy. It has a mirror. Yes, the colors is like we're getting ready for spring type of vibes. It says beach, popsicle, exactly. Stargazing, theme park, water slide, heat, raspberry, picnic, camping, fun, flower, vacation, flip-flops, carnival, and hiking. Praise be if we get to do this. In this, if y'all know where I got Praise Be from, that's not even funny because that movie, that TV show is wild. But hopefully we get to do this because it has not been fun. Alright, so next thing on here, Lavito Age Away Hydrating Cream. Where is that? This is what the packaging looks like. And this is $55. Okay. I wonder if you can put this under your eyes because I'm getting lines under here. I got my smile lines. Avoid contact with eyes. I wonder if you could just put it here. I mean, that's kind of close to the eyes, but we'll see how that works. Oh, it's like a yellow tint. Oh, next one. Wanda Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or laid on lips and cheeks. And this is $22. Alright, so this is the blush part, I'm pretty sure. And it has a little... my whole finger just went right into the thing. It has a mirror here, and this is the balm. I don't feel like the balm is doing much. Like, it doesn't make my lips feel moisturized at all or hydrated at all. And I'm putting a lot on. That doesn't feel like anything to me. Anyway, next thing. Hand Skin Ladron Skin Essence. I don't know what that says. Developed by the inventors of K-Beauty First BB Cream, this hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with your sodium hydrant. I think that's what it is. A powerful moisturizing capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. $46. Again, it is hydro. Isn't hydro like water? Exactly. It looks just like water. Doesn't smell like anything. Moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, skin softening. The last thing on here is the St. Lux Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting and hydrating formula. And this is $40. So you have these colors right here. This is Secret Admirer. And this is Love Letter. The name of the lips is cute. So the bottom is Love Letter and the top is Secret Admirer. So that's everything that I got in this box. I would rather more makeup than face products because I can't keep up with that. I can't. So let's get started onto this eye look using the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. I'm gonna go into Popsicle, which is this like orangey color, and put that in the crease. think I'm gonna do a simple 1, 2, 3, not too much, you know, going on. All right, so using the same brush, I'm gonna go into Theme Park and put that on the outer crease. I don't feel like it's blending very well with the orange. Try to pack one there. Then I'm gonna go into Water Slide, which is this yellow, and just put that in the inner, like right next to everything. I kind of like that. So I'm just gonna keep it going. I just feel like the green is disappearing. I don't know why. So then I'm gonna go into Fun, which is this gold shade right here. I put that in the inner corner and just bring it up. Alright, so now that I have that, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm feeling real islandy, like ready to go to the Bahamas type of vibes, or Barbados, however you like. I'm liking the vibes. I'm gonna do yellow, orange, and green under the eye. This palette has a lot of fallouts, which I probably should have did that before I did everything, but we still gonna do it. That green really gave me a run for my money. It was a lot of fallout on that. I'm waiting for my hair to dry too, because this is not how it's supposed to be. But so then I'm gonna use, so I want to use brown. I'm gonna use this one, which is Love Letter. I feel like it's real hard to apply on. You just use the Fenty, because so that is the finished look using the Boxycharm for February. Yeah, sorry you guys for being out of tune, out of reach, out of luck, no. But I'm gonna get my life back together, and yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and until next time, peace.